welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the tease him a lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, stretch. Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. All right, welcome back to untilit.works, a thing I created mostly to help myself because I'm the type of person who has a lot of things that they want to build. And if I don't make time, I'll never find time. And so I created untilit.works as an excuse to be here by the computer to work on these things. And untilit.works consists of ciphers, and a cipher is a 3-hour block of time. Within each cipher, there are sessions. There's a work session and a break session. Break session are, well, okay. So yeah, 40 work sessions are like 45 minutes, heads down, working on what you're working on, just trying to make some progress on that thing that you chose to work on. Break sessions are these, where I'll pop up around 15 minutes after the hour and to let you know, hey, it's time to take a break, get up, walk around, drink some water, do what you got to do, but don't think about the thing you were just working on, right? Now, like I said, I'll pop up here the video. If you ever come to the site and we're in the middle of a break session, the video may look like it's frozen, and that's because browsers don't allow for autoplay video with audio. And that's why I have the thing there that says, a little notice there saying you may need to click play to start the stream. Next to that is the open closed caption. I'm using the speech recognition that's built into Chrome browser to turn my speech into text. And so if you click open closed caption, it'll open up a space next to the video. And hopefully the words I'm saying will be placed accurately in that space. Then if there's ever anything during these break sessions that you thought was interesting, you can actually clip them out and create like a highlight clip. You click add a clip, and what happens is it goes back a couple of seconds and marks a timestamp. You get 5 timestamps. Each clip is 5 seconds long. You click create a highlights video, and now kind of like store the clip the timestamps so that when I end the break session, it will take those timestamps, the recording of the break session, cut out the clips, join them together, put an intro, put an outro, and then you'll be able to check out what was created. And I'll show you where you can do that. There's a countdown timer, countdown to when the work session happens, and then you can join the room if you'd like to chat or ask questions. All right, cool. Work session. Now that looks something similar to this. Let me share my screen. Probably good if I did that. Not that one there. Sorry. This one. Here we go. Cool. Bam. So it looks similar to this. In the upper right-hand corner, we have the menu. Subscribe has a list of all the upcoming ciphers. You can subscribe to get notified when we go live. Toward the left, we have a audio player. So I have some friends of mine who submitted some music, some instrumentals. So if you want to listen to some music, you can. It's a Bandcamp player, so you can purchase the track. You can share it. And I also add the ability to tweet it out. So if you want to help spread the word about some really talented artists, feel free to do so. Towards the center, we have the to-do section where it says add a task. You type in the thing you're looking to work on, hit enter or the plus button, and it'll add it to the list. You can click the text of the task to edit it. You can click the X button to delete it. Or if you want to mark it complete, you can click the checkbox. And now send it to the done section. And if you click that header, done, it'll show you all the things you got completed. Now, before I shut everything down for the day, if you click that Twitter icon, it'll open up Twitter in a brand new window, and it'll pre-populate a tweet, and it'll list all the things you got completed. So it's got a nice way of saying, hey, I got some stuff done, feeling good going into the week. At least that's what happens for me. Over in the right column, we have another countdown timer, countdown when the next break session happens. Again, that's 15 minutes after the hour. Below that, I have a button to view some tutorials. If you're coming into this and you really have nothing you want to work on, and you're like, hey, I just want something to kind of work on, That's where a few tutorials come in. If you're brand new to coding and web development and you're like, hey, I keep seeing this thing being mentioned and it seems pretty cool, but I don't know where to start, I have links to Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. And from what I've seen from the curriculum and what people have told me that have gone through it, I think if you complete those, you'll come out knowing whether or not you want to spend more time and or money in pursuing web development, because I think you'll have a good grasp of what it takes to do it. So there you can make an educated decision. All right, Hako, we'll come back to. Show and tell sign up. If you want to come up here and talk about something you found interesting on the internet, feel free to do so. Show and tell sign up will walk you through that process. All right, highlight section. That video you sent to be created, the status will say submitted when it's being worked on. When it's ready to be viewed, it's a status done, and a view button will show up. You click view, it'll open up like a window so that you can preview it, you can download it, and you can click to share to Twitter. Sometimes Twitter shows the video depending on the URL. Sometimes it doesn't. So I post to different other social media. So I download the video anyway. So I just attach it to the tweet to make sure it goes along with my post. And cool. So yeah, there's that Hako. Now Hako stands for help a coder/creator out. And it's a thing I created that if you ever get stuck on something, you'll be able to create a Hako, which is like a room where you'll be able to invite people to join, and they'll be able to, hopefully as a collaborative, be able to come up with a solution or the feedback that you're looking for, right? Now, you click view to check out all the different Hakos that have been created. There's a filter by keywords, so you can do that as well. You can click the creator's name to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what they logged in with, to check out their profile, and then you can request to join. If you if you click create, then you're presented with this form where you can enter in a title and 3 keywords to help somebody, maybe like find your Hako. You click create, it generates a unique URL that you can then copy or click to share to Twitter. And then when you join your Hako, it looks like this. The title's at the top. You can leave the Hako over on the right-hand side with that button. There's an open menu for some more options. You can chat there. I have a text chat over on the right-hand side. On the left side, we have another countdown timer, counting when the next break session happens. You can copy the URL again, and you can click to share to Twitter. Now, when someone clicks your link, they don't automatically jump into your room. They're actually requesting to join your room, so they'll show up under pending. And you can click the username to either open up Twitter or GitHub again, check out the profile, and determine whether or not you want to let that person into your room. From there, you can approve or deny them. If you do approve them and they turn out to be a terrible person, you can always ban them. Now, you as the owner of the Hako, only you can share your screen. And again, the reason for the Hako is for you to be able to get help with the thing that you're working on, right? So I think by being able to share your screen with everyone will be able to see what you're seeing and get the context of what you're looking for and be able to provide you with the help or feedback that you're looking for. So that's why only you can share the screen. The way you communicate to the Hako is we have a text chat, like I mentioned before. You're entering your message here towards the bottom, hit send, it'll add it to the list of messages. I also add the ability to enable audio chat. So anybody who has an audio chat enabled will be able to speak to and hear each other. But don't worry, for the folks who don't have audio chat enabled, they'll still be able to follow along because what people are saying will be turned into text and put into the text chat. Then I have the opposite, where you enable text to speech. So if you're not looking at the chat room and you still kind of like want to follow along, any messages put into the text chat will be read out aloud by your browser. Cool. And that is everything, I think. So yeah, so that is the Hakos. Again, you can check out all the different ones. And yeah, nice. Let me get y'all back to work because I'm actually like ahead of schedule. Because after the radio show yesterday, I decided, you know what, let me just do some of the post radio show stuff that I could do, like the email blast. I did that last night, so I scheduled that. This morning, I did like all the social media stuff, I'm pretty sure. At least I'm done with it, whatever. And then, yeah, so I'll be able to work on this project I've been meaning to like kind of like finish up and finalize. Got some requests for some functionality, so I'm gonna add that hopefully today. So, all right, I'm gonna get to that. So I'm gonna get y'all back to work. I'm gonna send y'all off with some traveling music, and this is a track by Nujabez featuring Apani B. It's called "Thank You," because again, thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity, and thanks again for hanging out. and see you around. When we come back, we'll talk about something I found interesting on the internet. All right. Or you could come up here and talk about something you found interesting on the internet. Either way, is be a break time. So back to work. I wish you much productivity. And yeah, be easy. Peace. New Jabez featuring Apani B. Thank you.
But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life.